update of the young rollers. So here's what we got left. We did give away 3 of the birds that we had in this kit, and then we lost one to the predator, so we're down to 11 birds. We did have 15, but we're just gonna keep breeding and keep flying. So I'm gonna let these guys out, show you guys what they do. It's just when they first go up, they gotta catch up to each other. So I've been trying to use this heat to my advantage so I could train these birds. But they are definitely right where I want them. They're kidding, they're flying a pretty good time, and then they all come in together into the kit box, so right where I want them. Pretty soon here, after the first few attacks, I'll probably lock them down, just because I need these birds for next year. I want to be able to compete, and in order to compete, you need to have birds. So probably just gonna hold on to these guys so I have something to start with next year. So this is just for all the guys that were asking me, how do I get my birds to fly, how do I get them to kit, all that stuff. I don't do anything, they do it on their own, so it just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience also. Don't rush your birds just because of something you want to see. Doesn't really work that way. The birds, you gotta let the birds do what they do. Birds flew about 30 minutes today. It is pretty warm out, so they didn't fly the 45 minutes to an hour like they have been early morning, but still really good thing they're flying in this heat. Alright guys, so the birds landed. They've been hanging out in the kit box for a little bit. It is kind of warm out here, as you guys can see their beaks. So yeah guys, just wanted to show you guys where the birds are at. From this point on, it's just pretty much flying them, getting them to come into the performance side of it. And when they all start performing together, I'll show you guys another quick update on what they look like. Comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of the young birds and the progress they've made.